Want to improve your freelancer skills? You're in the right place. In this video, we're going to share tips and strategies that will help you level up your game, irrespective of your field, goals, or interests. Stay tuned for some top-notch tips that will take your freelancing to the next level. First off, knowledge is power. It's essential to stay updated about your industry. Read about the latest trends, best practices, and opportunities. Don't be afraid to test new strategies. You never know what might work best for you and your clients. Now, let's talk about stepping out of your comfort zone. Attend conferences or workshops. These are fantastic places to learn from experts, network with peers, and showcase your work. Alternatively, if you prefer learning at your own pace, watch a webinar presentation or enroll in an online course. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Next up, let's talk about practice and networking. You see, improving as a freelancer isn't just about acquiring knowledge, it's also about applying it. That's where intentional practice comes in. Identify your weaknesses and work on them. It's the challenges we overcome that make us stronger. Now, on to networking. Joining professional associations or groups can be a game changer. They offer a wealth of resources, support, and opportunities. They're a gateway to meeting like-minded individuals who can provide invaluable advice, collaboration, and even job opportunities. After all, practice makes perfect, and your network is your net worth. Finally, let's delve into communication and technology. Crafting clear and thorough job descriptions is key to attracting the right talent for your projects. It's like a beacon, guiding the right freelancers to your doorstep. Once you've got them, effective communication becomes the bridge, setting expectations and nurturing relationships. But let's not forget about technology. With the right investment, it can become your secret weapon, simplifying the management of independent talent. Think of communication tools, project management software, payment platforms. They're like your digital toolbox. In the end, clear communication and the right tools can make all the difference. To wrap things up, let's recap. Stay informed by reading about your industry and testing new strategies. Attend conferences, webinars, and workshops to learn and network. Practice makes perfect, so focus on your weaknesses. Use technology to streamline your work and communicate effectively. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a more skilled and successful freelancer. Until next time.